love. Na, na, na. I am an old woman named after my mother. My old man is another child who's grown old. If dreams were like thunder, lightning was desire, this old house would have burnt down a long time ago. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to believe in this living. It's just a hard way to go. There's flies in the kitchen, oh, I can hear them buzzing, and I ain't done nothing since I woke up today. How the hell can a person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening, have nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to believe in this living. It's just a hard way to go. Believe in this living is just a hard way to go. Hey.
Okay, I wonder if we're on live. Maybe I should check the... Hey, can you check the Facebook page, see if we're going live? Yeah, sure. All right, hold on a sec. Hey, everybody. Do you love me? I mean, now, do ya really love me? I want you to. You're backstage pass and black sunglasses make you look just like a queen. Nah. How do we start?
Can do I need to wear thee? Can anybody find me somebody to love? Oh, hey, he's right over there. Nah. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, Neiman Wayndom, Omanungum. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, Neiman Wayndom, Omanungum. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Oh, you're really turning on the Paul Stanley. Oh, I know, right? Hey, everybody, I got a question for y'all. Nah. Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. stood there in the back of the church of a broken people. Listen to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, this ain't my first time. But then a man started talking about the devil and the bottle was ruining my life. Last night on my breath, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. And it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. So what do you got for this empty spot inside of me? A deep dark hole where love used to be, before she ran out and into the arms of somebody new. You all sit in this room and you talk like you got some kind of remedy. Well, I hear what you're telling me, but I got all the proof I need. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. 'Cause it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. Well, I got all I need no proof inside. But I can't wash you off of my mind. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. 'Cause it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. That's killing me. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the whiskey. Oh, what? It ain't the whiskey. Yikes. You know, I'm really learning to love country music. Do you know that I was always kind of closed-minded about it before?
Really?
Yeah. You know, I grew up with a bunch of rednecks, and part of me didn't want to listen to, you know, I was a rock and roller. Couldn't listen to country music. But then as I get older, you know, it kind of starts to speak to me. I guess the thing I like about country music is it's about a lot of small town themes, you know, like being an alcoholic. All right, so that was It Ain't the Whiskey. And in Ojibwe, our term for whiskey, we called it firewater. Ishkore wabu. And it was wasn't a great thing for us. Anyway, yeah, it ain't the whiskey. Hope you like it. And miigwech bisan dawiyeg. Thank you for listening. I will see you again. Giga min. Minawa. Hoa.
All right. Well, I just wanted to stop in and I wanted to let everyone know that we're available for high school or elementary school visits. We've been going on the road. Last week we were in Deer River, huh, honey?
Oh yeah, that was great.
We went to King Elementary in Deer River. We put on a show. And before that, we were up in Boys Fort. We were in Net Lake. Went to Net Lake School, met some kids there. And we've just been traveling, we're touring. I feel like we're in a rock band now.
I know, huh?
So if you'd like us to come to your school, bring the guitars and that. We'll sing some songs, we'll teach them Ojibwe language, and then we'll talk about Ojibwe history and culture. And just leave a message down here. We'd love to come to your school.